Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a 2-page winter spread. And so before I begin, I'll just suggest you subscribe below so you'll get more of my videos. So to begin with, I've chosen paper today to do this page from this but I'm sure I got this at a dollar store. It's just called Craft Designer Paper, and there's foil papers in here. And I'm using these two papers from this collection. All right, so let's begin. So first off, I'm doing a border along the bottom of this page with this paper, and I just did a piece of paper to do a shadow on this border of about 1/8 of an inch. And I'm doing it on both sides. And there we go. I'm also going to add to the top of this little wavy border because all this ice was from the waves in the river here. So with the windstorm. So I'm just going to add that to there. And now I also wanted to do a border at the top. I didn't do this in the beginning, but once I was laying it out, I needed something else at the top. So I'm going to put that up there. I matted that with about 1/8 of an inch on each side as well. And I have one for each side. So that's my background. All right. So I used a snowflake border punch, and I just did down one side a corner and along the bottom on 2 of these photos, like that. So I used this Martha Stewart punch around the page set, snowflakes. And then I did find a title called Frosty Icicle Snowflakes, and this was in Miss Kate Cuttables Snow cartridge. I'm doing a series of these pages, so of these ice storm pages here. I did add an image of icicles, and I just glued it on the back to hang off the bottom of that. I also found a snowflake image for here. And now this snowflake is from, what's that from? Oh, A Quilted Christmas cartridge in Design Space in Cricut Access. Okay, now I found a giant icicle. Well, it wasn't giant, but I made it giant. And I'm going to put that up there. I also did a branch with a bird, and I'm doing this. The branch is from a cartridge called Christmas. I'm going to lift it on foam dots like this, and I'm going to lift this bird as well on here. This is a cardinal, but it's all done in the blue colors. They look a lot like blue jays anyway. So, it's hard to keep these things in place while I'm doing this. Okay, so now I embossed the bird with this feather embossing folder, and I embossed the branch underneath it with this wood grain embossing folder. So that's, and then when I was punching out these borders, I kept a few of the snowflakes. So I have the bigger ones are from the corners. So I thought I would just place some of these snowflakes around. That one, oh, there's 2 there. And I will glue them here and there. I could put some gems on them too. I like, I think we're good. I've got another big one here. I'll put that there. And here's one more. Maybe I'll put it here. There we go. So I'm doing a series of these, and then I'm starting a Christmas album after that. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.